You see all this? It didn't start here. It started with accountability, brotherhood, a room full of killers who refuse to quit.
That's what the MOG Digital War Room is. No fluff, no noise, just growth. If you're serious, get in the inner circle.
Accountability births results. Join the war room and stay locked in.
What's up guys, it's Don Prince here again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to generate or create a journaling structure on Notion. I've been trying to make this kind of video for a long time now, but I've not had the chance. And also I was just trying to navigate through the Notion platform before I can bring it up to the public to see. So in recent time I've seen a very beautiful way, an easy and beginner friendly way to do that using Notion AI. So you don't have to start cracking your brain on how to come up with a Notion template of how you can successfully build your journal structure on Notion. Now you can use AI prompts to generate it instantly without cracking your brain. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be sharing a prompt that I generated from ChatGPT and pasted in Notion, and got a very fantastic result in Notion. So just within a minute you can generate your own template and start registering your trades inside the template. So now here is my Notion dashboard. Honestly guys, I did this video before, but I don't know what happened. I don't really know what happened. I did a very lengthy video of this type before and I can't find it in my computer, so I'm going to do it again. So please guys, because of this effort I'm making, I really urge you to click on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that more videos like this will be hitting your timeline. Just use that to compensate me. I'm doing this the second time after burning hours on explaining this thing. So here is my Notion template. This is my Notion dashboard actually. So all these whole places are customizable, both your picture, your cover page, and all the rest of them. As you can see, some of these things are defaulted in Notion, right? Some of them are generated by me. So you can switch, you can shift to anywhere you like. You can really, it is just customizable. It's very user friendly. So at this section you can view your profile, settings, change whatever you want to change. You can change this to dark screen for those that don't like light screen. Customize your theme to dark or light. You can change connections, notification, people. You can go to general settings. This is where you put your profile picture, your name or whatever thing, your workspace name, and you can also add more people to this place. You can just, people who have Notion accounts, you can just include them to your workspace so they can be doing the same thing you're doing, or they can work for you actually in your Notion environment or workspace. So let's go back to the dashboard. So next time we can talk about how to fully customize your Notion environment, but for now we're going to be looking at only trading journal. So here we have the Don Prince home page, and we have the journal trading lab. So in this journal trading lab, it's a page on its own and it has a theme on its own. So here of this particular page to this point with Notion suggested pages. So if you know me, I'm the type of person that always go with motivational quotes to keep my spirit alive. So as Don Prince, there is a place they told me to write a comment or a caption. So I said this is a space to document my journey as a trader. I'm a serial entrepreneur on a mission to be the greatest deal ever witnessed by my bloodline. And I'll do my weekly chart review here, journal all my trades, and take also back test my model with an easy to read template. Of course, I'm going to do that. I'm going to be the greatest that my bloodline has ever witnessed. I don't know if you're going to be the same. If you're going to be the same, say I am going to make it in the comment section just right now. So now let's dive deeper. So in this place we'll have 3 pages I've created. One is the backtest floor, second is the journal floor, third is the trading rule. This is where I put my trading rule, everything here. So for those of you who are very lazy in drafting your trading plan, you can also take my templates. If you want my trading plan templates, I'm going to show it to you. So you can draft your own templates using my own rule. I'll share it for free. Just comment that you need my trading templates. I'm going to send it. Then like I said, I can customize your database with AI without having to crack your brain or trying to figure out the structure or templates to forge your own trading flow or journal flow. So I'm going to send you that prompt at the end of this video, so you have to stick around and watch to the end. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. So in this journal environment, I created this particular page recently because I discovered how to use AI to do it. So first off, I'm going to show you what I've been doing before I discovered the easy AI method. So this is my journal flow. I created this personally from scratch to 2024 trading journal flow. So this is it here. So this is my pairs, my forest pairs. This is the dates, this is trade type, this is trade biases, this is chart, this is confirmation. So everything is customizable from whatever your ideas are. There's always a Notion kind of feature for that. So this is trade outcome, this is trade period, and this is the risk percentage that I use per trade. So let's hover through some of these things. This is of course dates. We all know dates. So this is the pair that I'm trading. This is the dates, this is the trade type. So here you can customize it to can change, edit the property. This is sell by, you can change it to long or short depending on the trade type that you use to identify your long and short position. So for me it's sell and buy, and I set it to select type, so I can select only one type at a particular time, which is this you're seeing. Is either I'm selling or I'm buying. I can select buy or I can select sell. That is how I set it to. I will show you how you can set multi-choice selection. So this is bearish. You can also create a page within this section. So this is bearish bias. And again, this is my charts, where I paste my charts after journaling. So this is how the trade turned out. This is a loss. So this is a picture. If you just paste your chart here, it is going to be visible. So you see how the trade actually performed or happened visually. This is a visual representative of our journal. So this is trade confirmation. So here is where you can set the type. This is multi-select choice, and these are the things that I imputed. I can select all of them at the same time, or I can select few depending on whatever confirmation I found. So for this trade, this is sweep entry model, this is order block, this is weak correction phase, and this is fib retracement level. And in this particular trade, this is profit and loss. This is now the dollar value of what you're doing. So this is I took a loss on here, and I was using 1:5 ratio. This is 1:6. So I was using so much risk to reward ratio. It says that market could move to like 1:2 or 1:3 and reverse to my Excel, because like I need a strong psychology to hold longer term, because I know it's going to be profitable. 1:5 is always profitable, but then the psychological disadvantage is going to play in your role. Just like here, I took a streak of losses 1 2 3 4 5 before I could see just one profit here. And when I saw the profit is when I've switched from 1:1 a high risk reward ratio to a lower risk reward ratio, like 1:3. So journaling also helps you to understand what is not working in your trading system. Like here, that 1:5 risk reward ratio wasn't working, so I had to reduce it to 1:3. So I got a TP. So this is also in my trading rule. We have a trading period. I divided it into periods. So this is my period 1. And you can also put it here. So this is how the trade turns out. It's either loss or profit, and the percentage you risk. I always risk 102.5%. So this is what I've been doing on my own before I discovered the AI template creations. Also, another thing you could do is change this view into calendar view. So these are the places, the points that if you see I traded on the 20th and it was red, right? So if you want a calendar view, you can go for a calendar view to show you the points, and you can also set it to bring out the numbers, the losses that you took or the profit you made, or the trade outcome based on the category that you want to display in your calendar. So it makes it more professional anyway. But here we're going to just keep it to the table view. Now let's go back. So this is my trading rule actually. In case this is my rule from a chronicle point of view, this is the system requirements. It is a toggle kind of feature in Notion. You can toggle whatever you want. You can just write it as list and you can toggle it. Every kind of thing you want. You just have to write slash. If you just type slash on your keyboard to ask you anything you want. So this is where you toggle list or toggle or do to-do list. This is toggle list. This is number list. So anything you want to do, heading, post, call out, page, create page, or anything is very, very customizable. So for now, I don't want to do anything. I've done something here before I destroy my trading rule. So this is trading system, and I say do a top-down analysis from monthly to weekly, then entry time frame, go down to 5 minutes. I've changed this. This is not also viable. I don't go down to 15 minutes in my trading rule because I'm a swing trader. I end at 30 minutes minimum. So this is identify my major zones and key support and resistance zones in daily time frame. How draw my current market structure, identify a liquidity. Of course, this is if you want to do full market analysis, then this is my confirmation. How to follow this whole confirmation is either I use my model 1 or I use my model 2, which is normal head and shoulder pattern. And also with your trading journal, you have to understand the model that are working and the models that are not working. And from what I journaled, I understood that my first model wasn't working anymore. So I had to dump it. And use my second model and continue to trade. So and it's been moving well since then. So this is me showing you exactly what trading journal and backtesting journal does to your trading. It improves your performance. It actually shows you what you're doing wrong. In case you're stuck in a cycle, maybe you'll be needing this journal. So just click on write on the comment section that you'll be needing the template for my rules and template for this trading journal. So the most important thing here is how to create this at ease without the hurdles of going through the structures or trying to place all those things, because as a beginner, everything will seem so secondary to you. You don't understand the basics. So that is why I've come up with this idea. Now I'll send you the prompts that I use for the Notion AI. So this is the page that I actually created with the AI. In just a minute, I generated these prompts in this Notion, and it got me this. That I'm going to show you how to even make this more comprehensive in ChatGPT. So it generated these parameters for me. As you can see, it's only just one trade I've registered in this journal. So also the most interesting part of this is it gives you a section that you can record your weekly performance metrics. You can record your win rates, your total trades, your profit and loss, your average risk reward ratio, your maximum drawdown, and monthly goals. Guys, this video is fucking hectic. You have to comment, like, and share this video. It is not easy. I've done this like once before and I'm doing it again. I don't even know if this one is saving, but if I have to do it again also. So I don't know, my Zoom app is fucking up lately. So you can toggle this down and you can toggle it up and fill in these places. All you just have to do is fill. What is your percentage rate for the week, your win rate for the week, your total trades. So after getting this, you know the actual metrics of your edge. So you can send this to investors, and you can send it to anywhere, or you can post it online for people to understand how good you are in trading. if you're the type that is sourcing for funds, or you're trying to prove or you tell your students that you're actually making it, this is where you lodge in all your key performance matrix. So after this, I told this Notion AI to explain all these matrices for me, and it gave me this full detailed explanation on all these whole things. As you can see, say weekly matrix performance matrix is a crucial tracking indicator that helps monitor and analyze your trading performance over a 7-day period. Here is where they matter. Like win ratio shows the percentage of profit trade, helping you understand the success ratio. So you can ask it anything, and it will just explain to you what it has written up there after generating your templates. You get me? So it is very easy. So what you do is this: how to make this work. Just to go to ChatGPT. I've actually asked it to generate a prompt that we can paste here. Copy and paste prompts. I just say, all right. I say draft a prompt I can paste in Notion AI for a beginner or beginners traders who want to use Notion for journaling their trades. Make it comprehensive and detailed with some parameters like dates, pairs, trade type, entry and exit, outcome, risk to reward ratio, P&L, and other sections used by pro traders. So it says, here you go, the press a powerful Notion AI prompt you can paste directly to generate a clean, beginner-friendly but pro-grade forex trade journal template. So this is it. It says copy and paste this. So what we have to do is copy this. Copy these prompts. Copy. Like I said, I'm going to send you these exact prompts that you can paste in your Notion AI, and you create an easy template that you can lodge your trades without even wasting time. Just within 2 minutes, you have this done. You have this done, guys. So let's head over to Notion. Like I said, there are 2 commands that you can use to work on Notion workspace. You can use the space command, which is going to command your AI to do something for you, create a task for you. Or you can use the other command, which is the slash command, if you want to do this on your own. There are so many features that you can use: the headings, the text, the number, the toggle list, whatever thing. You can add image, you can add video, you can add code. You can generate code and paste it here. If you write codes, you can just paste it here. This is grid view, this is gallery view, in case you want to put your images in gallery view. So everything is here, it's comprehensive. So what you have to do now is use the space command. When you use the space command, they say ask AI anything. You just paste your prompt. So after imputing the prompts that you generated from ChatGPT, you just enter it here by clicking on space, commanding your AI to come forward, then you enter. But the problem is, if you have done this once, you can't do it again. For free users, you just have only one AI task to perform a full task like this for you. It's just once you have to do it. You can't do it the second time. But there's another way to do it. But of course, as a beginner, you can do this once. This template I'll be sharing to you, this Notion prompt, you can just put it once into your Notion AI, and it will generate this for you. But in case you want to have more or other kind of templates that you want AI to generate for you, but you can't do it the second time, this is another way to go about it. So what you do is you click on slash, like you want to create it yourself. So you search for database, because this is database that we use to do it. And you click on database, full page database. At the right section, there's a place they wrote build with AI. You get? So when you click on build with AI, it should ask you make a customer feedback tracker with priority level, status, and assignee, whatever. So here is where you can also paste in that prompt that you generated from ChatGPT. And it also creates a comprehensive journal template for you as a forex trader. So what we do is just paste it directly and put enter and click on enter. So it will run everything within 2 minutes. Is done. Within 2 minutes, your comprehensive template is live. So guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is very, very amazing. Like I said, if you want this particular prompt, type in the comment section right now. So I will send it. Also, tell me the channel that you want me to be sending it. Whether you want it through your email, you want me to send it to your WhatsApp, you want me to send it to your Telegram, I will send it right away. Just type send journal prompt and I will get it to you. So as you can see, it has generated all these things. And there are a few it's suggested for us to add. We have the market condition, the trade duration, and trade rating. This is also important. And guys, this is even more comprehensive than the ones I've generated before. This is far more comprehensive. I think I'm going to be using this. This is far more comprehensive. You can use your trade duration to understand how long your trade ran at a time. You can use trade rating, you can use the market condition, whatever thing. After tweaking the ones that you need and removing the ones that you don't need, mistakes and deviation, emotional states, do we need it, chat, screenshot and link, whatever. I don't know. So you can just write continue. Then it asks you the view you want, win-loss gallery. This is the calendar view actually. This is the calendar view. So you can just go to done. So let's see how that calendar view comes out. Gallery. So you're just adding items now. So that is fine. So this is trade ID. Trade 1, trade 2, trade 3. It's just like a serial number. You can just know the trades. Mark it maybe from like, of course, why they did this because we wanted them to lodge a trade type for over 50 samples. So that is why they wrote this trade ID. So you can have trades 1 to 50 if you want. So this is the dates. You can choose the dates. So this is how to create more columns. Just write new item to create another column for you. I just write the trade ID. So this is the currency pair. So you can choose between the currency pairs and set it as fixed selection. You can change the type to select or multi-select. Of course, you can't take two pairs at the same time, so you have to choose one pair. So that is why we are seeing one pair. It's either this or Euro USD or USD Chef, whatever pairs that are in your your radar or in your watch list, so to speak. You can put it. So this is also trade type. It's also a one single selection. It can be buy limits, can be buy long, it can be sell limits, can be anything, right? Here is buy long. You can change this. This is how you can change this to either buy or long, depending on the ones you use. So edit property, go to long. Instead of buy and long, you can just keep it to long alone or buy alone. Delete these, right, and keep it to long alone. The same thing with short. You can just keep it to like short alone instead of short and sell at the same time. So here is it. So this is it. Just select either the market is going up or down. You can say you bought or short that particular trade. So this is entry price, and this is your stop loss price. This is a take profit price. So this is the risk to what we use. 2 to 2, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, or 2. And this is the lot size, percentage loss size you use. Risk percent, this is 100%. You can keep it to 1%, 2%, whatever thing you used your trade. And this is time frame, daily, weekly. You can select any. This is single selection, and this is where you can toggle between multi-selection. This is change type. This is multi-selection. This is where you can put that multi-selection, and it's giving you all these things. You can select 2 to 3 things at once. And this is strategy use. You have breakout, we have head and shoulder, have other blocks, support and resistance, trend following. Whichever strategy you use, you can put it here and use it as maybe confirmations by use. And this is straight up. Of course, this template is amazing. It has everything you need: emotional state, neutral, greedy, confidence. It tracks everything comprehensively like a professional trader. I mean, guys, this is exactly what you need to level up your trading. It's helped me level up my trading. I went from having a 1:5 risk reward ratio, which is messing up with my psychology, to going down to 1:3 risk reward ratio. As you know, I don't use break even for my trades, so I don't even plan on using break even, because of course, backtesting my trading, I also understood that my trading doesn't need break even. So this is what you need to start your journaling on Notion. If you have been hearing about Notion, journaling, this is the easier way to go about it. Like I said, guys, this video cost me a lot. I had to make it twice after going 1 hour before to do it. Please, guys, I want you to please subscribe. I know you've watched to this extent, and I know you've gotten value. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this video I made. If you want me to make any other video around Notion, or anything about journaling, or how you can understand and navigate through all these features in Notion, and also put it in the comment section. The most popular request to get a video for that, and I'll explain in details on how to use each of them. So for the time being, I'd like you to go through this video, open your Notion accounts. I will take you directly to Notion, or you can just type Notion on the internet and go to Notion and create an account and start lodging your trade. This will help track your performance and track your mistakes, and also help you stay disciplined and focused. Understand how your key performance metrics are working, and how if your trading plans and goals have been met or not. So guys, I mean, if you have watched these extents, I really like to congratulate you, and also to share my template with you. You know what to do. Just comment on the comment section. Tell me the platform you want me to send it to, and I will send it right away. So peace and love. The next, like I said, the next trade I'll be making, the next video I'll be making will be about navigating through the platform. And I also want you to tell me what you feel about the video, what else you want me to include, so that in my next video I'm going to make it. Also, try and click on the bell notification, so when my video drops, you'll be the first to get notified about the video, so you watch and you don't miss any information on Notion. This video was made based on popular request, so I would like you to make another request so I can keep making valuable content like this. So peace and love.